Guys, Andrew here, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change or add a language on your Android or Samsung phone. So go ahead and swipe up and you want to find settings, open that, and you want to scroll all the way down guys within these settings to where you'll find general management. Tap on that. Now at the top here you will find language and you will see the current language that your phone is in the blue. Just simply tap on that, and from here you can go ahead and tap on add language. So click on that plus, and here you'll find quite a few suggested language, so you can just simple scroll through to see whichever language you want to add. So let's say I want to go ahead and I want to add a particular language. Let me go ahead and choose something that I will still understand. So let's say I want to choose this Czecho language. It's a Czech language. I can simply tap on that, and from here you will have the option that says set as default or keep as current. No, I don't want to change that at the moment. I would just like to keep as default, but I would like to add the language. So just simply go ahead and keep, and you can see that you have that language now. Now once you're ready to change your language to a different language, just simply tap on that language and you can simply click and apply, and your phone will go into that language, right? However, I'm going to put back my phone into English so that I can keep it in English. But that's all there is to it, guys. That's all. You can easily go ahead and add and change the language of your Android or Samsung phone.